Hola Buccaneers! In the previous videos we had seen that how we can add some CAD files, some 3D models from the internet. So in this video we'll see some of the features of 3D visualizer. Hey, did you notice that instead of the default green board, I have a black colored board over here? So if you want to visualize that how your components would look like on a specific colored board, because various manufacturers give us the options to make the board in different colors like black, white, blue or so on. So all you have to do is go to template, colors and select the colored board which you want, the silk screen, and then just click on OK. After this is done, voila, you can visualize your board of the color that you want. So we can see how would my logo look like on a black colored board, how would the name look like. I can also enable or disable the viewing of components and look the various layouts that will be present on the board. So these are a few special features of 3D visualizer which helps us to visualize how our board would look like after manufacturing process. So for us to learn some more techniques in Proteus, some more features of Proteus, stay tuned with Captain Jack.